Alrighty guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the edit button found under the driver's options for your cut and plot feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the working with the cut and plot feature, and I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. So now, to look at the edit button, I would say let's first obviously navigate to the cut and plot feature, which is here next to your print icon on the standard toolbar, and the shortcut first Control L. Where to press that, we'll bring up our cut and plot feature, and then we want to go to the options tab, which will be the third tab on the top here. Then under the driver's options, you'll see at the bottom we've got edit, and then keep in mind this is relevant to normally, should I say, it's relevant to the color selected. So we can go edit here, and then under these options we've got a tab before job. But keeping in mind, depending on your device you're using and so forth, you might have different options. But yeah, so just by default, we've got the before job. So this is what's going to happen before you start your project. So when you send it, it's going to use this. Then we have here, also something to keep in mind is that if everything is left on, or should I say, if the tool is not enabled, then it will use the device's settings. But if we enable something like the tool or settings over here, anything that's checked, then it will overwrite the device and use the program settings instead. So that is something to keep in mind. So then from our options here, we've got none, cut, plot, and pen plot. And then under each one of these, or except for none, you'll see we've got our options that say tool. So if there's multiple options available for the tool, you can click that and choose which tool you want to use. And then we've got offset X and Y in millimeters or whichever dimensions you've set your program to. And then you can set the offset of the pen or the knife here. Then under that, you can see we've got this little bar. This basically tells us all the information that's currently going to be sent to the device. And then yeah, so what you can do, obviously, if you've set stuff and you don't like it, you can always say reset, or if you click delete, it will remove everything you've set and set it back to the default. Keep in mind, if you click delete again, as you can see here now, we've got none. So then you just have to make sure you go reset, okay, and then we've got our options back. Now also, if you have set custom options, you can always go your save, type in what the name you want to save it to, and just click OK. Or let's say you're also working with a client and they give you custom settings, then you can always go to import, or if you want to send them custom settings, you can go export. Then yeah, and after that you can simply click apply, okay, and then your settings will be set. So now let's just quickly go here. I'm going to just make this keep it on cut, a knife for the yellow orange color. We edit this, and you can see now does not have that active where this one does. So just keep in mind this you can set for each individual, and like we covered in the previous video, you can always go here at the bottom, use same driver option for all colors, and then it will ignore all the individual colors, or individual settings for individual colors. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the edit button for the driver's options. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, and we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.